Birdman from Hot Rod Customs again. So this is a project that I'm excited about, and it is a Nash Metropolitan, 1959 Nash Metropolitan. It's going to be a pro street drag car, and we're going to build a chassis for it, and we're going to show you all aspects of building this pro street car in the coming months. To get started, I chopped the roof 2.5 to 3 inches, and we're just getting the grinding work done here to clean it up. There's a lot of work, a lot of grinding work to be done, so don't judge me on it yet. And it's going to have a Big Block Chevy blower motor, which we can take a photo of. He's going to add it in, and a Powerglide transmission, 4-link rear, and I've stretched the car 15 inches, so it's going to have a 102-inch wheelbase, which the standard wheelbase was 80 inches, and it's going to have a roll cage in it, and it'll be a wild drag car for what it's going to be. So anyway, that's the nose of the car over there, and we'll take a look at it. So this is the front of the Nash Metropolitan. What we're doing with it is, as you can see, we're spot welding the seams here, and then I'm going to weld up the seams and then body fill them in, so this will all be blended into a one-piece hood. Part of the reason why is we're going to make this car have a tilt nose. So this is going to tilt up like this, and with the engine and all sitting in it, so you have access to the engine compartment and whatnot. So this is all part of the design of this pro street drag car, and we're working on it. It takes a lot of electricity. You see, when this all gets painted, you know, this detail will show up nice. I gotta put a little fill here. I got more body work to do on it, but it's close. It's coming. Birdman, Hot Rod Customs, back again. So I kind of wanted to update you a little bit on the Metropolitan Pro Street Drag Car project, which is going slowly, but it's going. And I'm working on the window, the plexiglass window templates, and the chopped roof finish work and whatnot. I'll show you some of the things that I'm doing. And you know, because it's a drag car, I want to have windows that will go up and down. A real drag car doesn't have windows that go up and down, but this is a street drag car, so that's why this is the avenue in which I'm going. This is a template for a different window, but the window crank system is in this, so I can, you know, modify this eventually, cut this out to be correct. And I have a track system. It's going to be a plexiglass window, and I'm going to use this kind of channeling here that the window will ride up in, and this will be attached to the window frame. So the plexiglass window will actually ride in this track when it's actually done. But what we're doing is we're trying to straighten out some of the body work. I'm making a little piece here that will hold that window tracking, and we've closed in the back of it, and to finish getting ready to prime. So we're going to shortly prime the body just to get things consistently done and see where we're at, flatten out the door panel. I got a big dent here that I got to work out, but we're working on it, and I wanted to bring you an update on what we're doing. Okay, so we're back. I just want to point out a couple little details of this particular car, in that I chopped the roof on this car about 2.5 to 3 inches. So this is the finished height of the window. This is the body line. It's a factory body line that was in the original car. And what we're going to do is, you know, we're going to keep all of those elements like that with a plexiglass Lexan window. And this window will actually go the full distance here, roll up and down. And that's basically where we're at. I'm still working on the body size and flattening the panels out. And that's where we're at.